Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix NAT type failed on PS5. So you might face this issue, so how to solve this? So first solution is just restart router and console. Turn off the router, unplug it from power source and then power off your PS5 console. Wait few minutes before replugging and then turn it back on. So this is the first solution, and if it does not work then just jump to the second one, set up connection like network connection manually. So you will find this option called network in your settings and network setting, and from here just click on this network, and after that set up internet connection. As you can see in the pictures, the details in the network menu, select set up internet connection and choose Wi-Fi or cable, whichever your connection is. And after that you will see manual setup, so click on setup manually IP address setting and choose manual and DNS. So what you need to do is choose this DNS 8.8.8 dot 4 times 8. This is the first DNS, and the second one is this one 8.8.4.4. so enter this DNS, DHCP hostname, choose do not specify, and MTU setting to automatic, and proxy server do not use. So once these settings are done, test the connection and try if your issue is solved or not. And if it's still causing any problem, then we'll just jump to the third solution, change NAT type. As you will find this option in your connection and NAT type. This is type 2. So what you need to do is just click on settings, and after that just scroll to the network option, and once you are on network just go to connection status as in the previous solution, and from that click on view connection status and go back to network. And once you click on network, select set up interconnection, set up manually, again the same settings, and once you're here just click on done. So what you need to do is just change this NAT type, and after that click done, save the settings and try again if your issue is solved or not. So hopefully your issue will be solved after that.